Jealousy is a tricky thing, and obviously, certain level of jealousy is appropriate. But if you feel that it takes over you, you have to understand the reason of your jealousy, and this work is important. And so, if the jealousy is associated with historical aspect of yours, you need to do some kind of like internal work to be able to overcome that. However, if your partner right now is acting in a way that is disrespectful or elicit objective jealousy, if I don't know, if our acting in a way that is flirtatious with other men or women, the partner is lying, the partner is not truly acting in a healthy way in the relationship, then it's important to communicate that to your partner and really try to understand, okay, what could be done. So you address the issues in the right moment, not let it fester inside of you. Again, bring that up in a healthy way. And together with your partners, working on that. And again, if it's historically, you need to work on that on yourself and do some work that in some ways is related to self-esteem as well. So working on the issues that historically bring that jealousy, if it's relevant, and if it's relevant in the present moment about your partners and what they do to create their jealousy, bring that up and talk about that and try to resolve it.